Hello everybody. So today is my birthday, so I got 3 mice. These will each be individual videos, with the best one being at the end. That being said, today we're going to unbox the first one. This is the Razer Deathadder Essential. I was at Best Buy and got this for $30, so let's open this up, if I can figure out how. I have a little manual book here. There's nothing else in the box. That just leaves the mouse. Let's open this. And this is the Razer Deathadder Essential. Great build quality, as you expect from Razer. This is for medium hands and for right-handed people. It is an ergonomic mouse, obviously. Here's the back. This has, I don't know exactly what the sensor is. It says 6400 DPI. I can put that on the screen right about now. As well as how much it weighs. This is what it sounds like. Alright, this scroll wheel feels very nice. It has the classic, somewhat grainy Razer grip. Side buttons are a little big, but I'm alright with that. And it glides just fine. So all we have left to do is plug this guy in. And this is what it looks like. It glows a nice green, possibly other colors, but I don't think so. I can find that out and put that on the screen. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see ya.